In this guide, I'll show you how to pair your Roku TV remote to your Roku device without a pairing button. So the first thing you want to do is flip over your remote and take off the battery cover. And if you did have a pairing button, it'd likely be in this area. But since we don't, what I recommend you do is to take out the battery for about 5 to 10 seconds and put it back in. Now, if you're unsure if your batteries are low, be sure to put in a fresh pair just in case. And then what you want to do is press and hold the home button and the back button on the top of your remote until a green light on the top of your remote control starts flashing, indicating it's in pairing mode. Now at this point, you may see something pop up on your screen indicating it's trying to connect. In my case, it didn't work. So now what I recommend you do with your remote control is press and hold the home button and the back button again until it goes into pairing mode, and you want to hold it close to your Roku device, whether it's the streamer or the TV. Now, after a few seconds, you'll notice on my screen it popped up indicating it's connecting, but if that doesn't happen to you, try unplugging your Roku TV or streaming device for 30 to 60 seconds from the power, and then try again. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.